Hey guys! I'm back inside this winter sports store, and today I already know what sports I want to try, and I'll try them all next week. Every single day I'll try a new one, but this time I'll ask the cabin to give me the equipment so I get prepared my bags for that. Let's start with Monday. Monday, I want to do ice skating. That is what I want to start with, but I don't remember the equipment. Okay, what is a must for ice skating? Okay, cabin, give me the equipment. Show me the equipment. Oh, look, skates and a suit. Yes, is this a must for ice skating? Yeah, here I have the skate and the suit inside my bag. Thank you, ready for Monday. Let's go for Tuesday. Tuesday, I want to try, like really, I'm very excited with that, the bobsledding. Do you remember what is a must to try that sport? What must I wear? What must I wear or what must I have? Let's see. Come on, cabin, show me the equipment. Oh. Huh? What? A snowboard and a broom? No, you mixed the sports. I don't need this. These are things I mustn't have if I want to do the bobsledding. Come on, bring them up. And let me just touch that other button. Maybe it works better. Oh yes, it's working. And what? The sled and the helmet. I must wear a helmet and I must have a sled. Of course, a sleigh. Great. This inside my bag for Tuesday. Alright, let's go for Wednesday. What sport should I try on Wednesday? Snowboarding. Yes, that is what I want to try. And let's see. What is a must if I want to do some snowboarding? Cabin, show me the equipment. Oh, okay. Here I have the snowboard and the goggles, right? I must wear snow goggles because if it's snowing or storming, whatever, I need to see clear. And of course, the board. So inside my bag for Wednesday. Great. And Thursday, what was the last sport? It was similar with the hockey. Curling, that was the sport. Cabin, show me the equipment. Huh? Skis and a broom? No. The skis are a mustn't. I mustn't take the skis if I want to curl. No. The broom is okay. Yes, the curling broom is what I need. So inside the bag. But please, the skis go up. And let's try again that button and see if it works now. Okay. Yeah, here we have it. Do you remember? What is it? The stone. The curling stone is here. Now I have all my bags ready for next week. Great!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello, my friends. So, let's come back here and keep working with us as we did over last worksheet. We are now talking about the modal verb must. Remember that must means like obligation, 100% sure you have to do something. It's a special word that we use when we want to say something is very important or necessary. And mustn't is a special word. It tells us something is not allowed or is not okay to do. Alright? Example, you must brush your teeth before bed. And you mustn't touch the hot stove. Okay? So, Here we have these beautiful sentences that if you want, you can paint. Look, you can paint the inside, okay? In winter, we what? Must or mustn't? We mustn't wear sandals, right? Yes, it's too cold. It's too cold. So we mustn't wear sandals. Sandals. Well done. Great. Now let's go for another one. To ski, and I'm going to use this beautiful green. To ski, you must or mustn't wear a helmet. Remember, the helmet is what we put on the head, okay? So to ski, you must wear a helmet. Let's just write must wear. And we put here a helmet. Well done. Then let's go for the third one. If you don't want to get cold, if you don't want to get cold, you must or mustn't wear short sleeve t-shirts. I think it's mustn't, right? Short sleeve t-shirts. That is not a good idea. You need long. This is long, okay? So you mustn't wear short sleeved t-shirts. Well done. Then finally, let's go again with the bluish. Bobsledders, remember the ones that play with those sleds and go super fast in the mountains. Bobsledders must wear helmets. Yes, they must, okay? Must. They must wear helmets. Must wear helmets. They don't need them. Beautiful. Great. So now remember, the negative form of must is mustn't. You can also write must not. Okay? This and this is the same. Okay? Yep. Good job, guys. Goodbye.